Welcome to Bright's Market Minutes. I'm Dr. Lisa Sturtevant, Bright MLS Chief Economist. The Mid-Atlantic housing market appears unstoppable as prices continue to rise, but there are some signs of a shift and the outlook is for a chilly fall market. So here are 3 things to be watching. We need to talk first about home prices. The median price in the Bright MLS footprint in September was $385,500, which was up 4.2% compared to a year ago. Home prices have risen by more than 35% since 2019. And as mortgage rates have surged, the typical monthly payment has nearly doubled over the past 4 years. I don't expect home prices to fall significantly in our market, but I do believe we are close to a price ceiling. The second thing to watch is supply. We know that very low inventory has been a constraint in the housing market, and while active listings in the Mid-Atlantic are down 11.2% compared to a year ago, there are some markets where we're seeing year-over-year inventory gains. In addition, for several months, the number of new listings coming onto the market has outpaced the number of new pending contracts, which indicates that we'll see supply begin to increase, although still very slowly. And finally, we are closely watching the Bright MLS T3 Home Demand Index, which is a forward-looking measure that can help us anticipate where the market is headed. In October, the Home Demand Index for major markets within the Bright MLS footprint turned sharply downward. As a result, we're expecting much slower buyer activity in the months ahead. Overall, though, there's no indication of a major housing market downturn. Transactions will be low, however, perhaps reaching levels not seen since 2010. Prices will stabilize as we head into the end of the year. That's it for this month's Market Minutes. Check out Bright's September 2023 Housing Market Report on the Bright MLS website. Don't forget to register for our monthly housing market webinar, which is next Thursday, October 19th. And while you're on the Bright website, please take a look at the new research we've recently completed with George Mason University that takes a look at the long-lasting impacts of the pandemic on the housing market. See you next month.